As the Congress celebrated its 131st Foundation Day today, an article published by the party's Mumbai unit caused a stir as it blamed Jawaharlal Nehru for the state of affairs in Kashmir, China and Tibet. The article said if Nehru had embraced Patel's foresight, many problems in international affairs wouldn't have arisen.
Foundation Day celebrations at the Congress headquarters in New Delhi. But the day was considerably more gloomy and forgettable for the grand old party. Congress was left embarrassed and red-faced after its mouthpiece not only criticized party head Sonia Gandhi but also raised very uncomfortable questions on former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru's Kashmir and Tibet policy. Articles published in the Hindi edition of this month's Congress Darshan raised very blunt and personal question on Sonia Gandhi. It went on to say that she became the Congress president 62 days after becoming a party member in 1997. Another article in the same magazine suggested that Nehru should have listened to former Home Minister Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's views on international affairs. The article is indicative that the problems of Kashmir, China, Tibet and Nepal wouldn't have existed had Patel been heard by Jawaharlal Nehru. The article also says that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel opposed Jawaharlal Nehru's move of taking the Kashmir issue to the United Nations. Article also said that the relations between the two top leaders of the party at that time were not very cordial. Congress was quick on the damage control exercise, with the party sacking author of the article to begin with.
एकाध आलेख में जिन शब्दों का प्रयोग हुआ है वो निश्चित तौर पर आपत्तिजनक है। मैं उस गलती को स्वीकार करता हूं। मैं नाम मात्र का संपादक हूं। जो संपादकीय मंडल जो हमारा है उसमें जिन लोगों ने ये गलती की है, जिन लोगों की वजह से गलती हुई है, उनके खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
किन परिस्थितियों में उन्होंने बागडोर संभाली भारत की, वो कोई आसान काम नहीं था। तो शायद उनको पूरी हिस्ट्री की जानकारी नहीं है जिसने ऐसा लिखा है या सोचा है।
However, the damage was irrevocable and irreversible. Rival parties latched on to the opportunity.
सच्चाई सामने आने दो लोगों को, तो ये सच्चाई सामने आ रही है और वो लोगों के लिए एक नया नई न्यूज़ दे देंगे कि क्या है सोनिया गांधी जी की फैमिली या कांग्रेस की फैमिली क्या है। उसके आगे भी उन्होंने कहा है कि उनकी शादी 1968 में हुई, शादी होने के बाद 1983 तक वो इस भारत की नागरिक नहीं थी, वो भी उस पे कबूल कर लिया है।
सच्चाई कितनी भी छुपाओ वो कहीं न कहीं से रास्ता ढूंढ के आई जाती है और वो सामने आ गया है। ये वास्तविकता है कि सरदार पटेल जी ने पूरे देश के जितने भी राज्य थे उनको जोड़ा। एक राज्य जो कश्मीर था उसको जोड़ने का काम नेहरू जी ने अपने हाथ में रखा था और वो आज तक नहीं हो पाया और इसलिए आज भी वहां समस्या है, क्योंकि नेहरू जी की जो पॉलिसी थी वो डे वन से अपीजमेंट की थी, तुष्टीकरण की थी।
The government also supported the views expressed in the article, much to the discomfort of the party.
Nehru's policy and approach towards Jammu Kashmir was not as appropriate as it should have been, and incidentally Jammu Kashmir was the only area or the state which Prime Minister Nehru kept to himself, while other princely states were being dealt by Sardar Patel. And the only difference I think this article or this write-up has made is that the Congress ranks and file were in a denial mode. And I think it's good for them also that they are reconciling to the facts of history.
The timing of the controversy couldn't have been worse for the Congress, coming at a time when it is pointing fingers at the ruling BJP of trying to usurp Patel's legacy and run down Nehru's contributions. Newsnight Desk, DD News.